Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video I'm so glad to show you what I bought and I'm still buying from Chanel latest fall collection. So the collection Tone on Tone by Chanel for next fall is absolutely beautiful. I really loved how they combined the shades. They are amazing in my opinion. One of the most beautiful and wide collection by Chanel in terms of nude colors. The display of this collection is so well designed and you have this color combination, infinite color combination in my opinion, so you can purchase a product and combine to another shade, so you can match the nail polish and the lipstick and also the color of the palette, of the eye palette, so it's very well balanced, I mean. And in terms of nude there is a wide selection, but I really was focused on the shades of pink. I really loved this mauve dirty pink, and I chosen this very dark lipstick. This is Sensation that I'm wearing now, and in the second part of the video where I apply my makeup using the beautiful intense eyeshadow palette, I combined also another shade that is Inattendu. It's a beautiful dusty pink, you see, and instead this is a Sensation that I'm wearing now on my lips, you see. It's more about a violet, dark rouge violet shade. And you see, I bought also these two nail polish to combine the makeup look. This is Emotion and this is Desir. So this is a more violet, dark violet shade. It's more cool, so more violet than Rouge Noir. And on the nails it really looks very dark, but you can catch this rouge violet reflection. Instead, this one is the one I'm wearing now, and I think you can match with quite every kind of tone from this collection because it's a beautiful dusty rosewood pink, you see. So they asked me if it was close to Rose Confidential, but in my opinion it's not. So it's similar shade, but this kind of shade is a little bit darker and with a hint of grey. And this is the makeup look, and this is the mood board I created to combine some Chanel makeup look I have seen. And if you're interested in my makeup look and you want to see these two lipsticks in action and how I combined with my eyeshadow palette and nail polish, please follow the second part of the video. Now I take this shade and I blend it in the socket line, giving a little bit of shape. I take a contour clear now and I apply a little bit under my eyes to give a little bit of contour effect. This is the color, it gives you a very natural shadow effect. I take this shade here and I fix a bit this color. You know, powder always fix cream, even if contour clear stilo is very resistant. Okay, so you achieve this very soft eye look, and now I line my eyes a little bit. Okay, I'm taking Brune Agape. Now I go back with the powder. So I applied a touch of this nude eclat stilo in the waterline and also in the inner corner here. So you achieve a very soft effect of this kind of eye look, so it's not very particular complicated to get. You have just two main shades, and then you have to blend a little bit under your eyes this nude shade, this taupe shade like this. So I think with this eye look you can choose any kind of lipstick shades from the new beautiful Chanel display, but I've bought Sensation, that is one of the darkest one, and I really love to see how it performs with this makeup. And in particular, I've seen Chanel opted for a sort of nude eye look combined with this strong shade. And there is also this shade that is Inattendu, and that means unexpected, the shade. So let's see if it's really unexpected. I really wanted to try the shade because it matches, in my opinion, this nail polish also, and I saw a similar shade in a previous collection from Chanel, I think in 2014, something like this, if I don't get wrong, and it was a beautiful mauve pink lipstick, very particular on the lips, and so I thought that this shade could remind a bit, and let's try it. Beautiful color. Very full, a little bit bumpy, maybe because I'm very pale, so I see a lot of contrast here, and I love it. We absolutely need some blushes with this shade. So this is the shade, this is the nail polish, and I have to look for a blush. Okay, I got very interesting old blushes here, just to show you the shades that I think would match this look, but I want to use them because they are old, but I think Chanel could think of re-promoting this shade because they are beautiful, in my opinion. This was Caress. It was a limited edition, and it was a beautiful shimmering apricot, very tiny sparkles, so just luminous, and it was a beautiful apricot shade. Then we have Rose Crème. This shade is absolutely a shade that Chanel should re-promote. In my opinion, it was so beautiful, and it was a kind of dusty pink, earthy dusty pink, but light, so not too intense. It was perfect. I hope to see it again in some collection, maybe with another name, with another little shift of shade, but so beautiful. And this tone is perfect. So if you have similar blush like this. There is something from NARS, for example, that has this mauve pink shade, a little bit more mauve than this, but very beautiful. They really matches this kind of look, in particular if you have pale skin. And then we have Rose Petal, so it has more cool tone pink and so pretty. So it gives you a flash of color. Instead, if I should suggest you a shade that really goes with everything, even if in particular in this case probably it's not the best combination, but it could work, it is Quintessence, that is this color, and it's a very well balanced pink, and not too warm, not too cool, you see. And I like to see how it looks on my face, so I take a small brush and I apply just a bit like this, so you see. Matches also the pink tones that this palette has. Probably you don't have to put too much, so you see the shade is very beautiful, and that's it. Now let's move to the darkest shade, that is Sensation lipstick. It's a violet. Okay. Beautiful shade. Intense but beautiful. Okay, this is look very intense like this. So this is the shade. This is Sensation. It's very dark. It has violet undertones, some Rouge Noir, in my opinion. It's something like Rouge Noir, but more violet. It matches Desir. They have absolutely a similar undertone. So in this case I need a little bit more blush on. Okay, not properly an everyday look, maybe, but a very impactful look. Let me know your impression, if you like this lipstick, very dark lipstick or not. It has a little bit of sheen, you see, so it's not matte, so it has a little bit of luminosity in a way, but it's very, very dark. So this is the finished look. I hope this video could be helpful for you. Let me know your opinion about these lipstick shades, which one you prefer, if you prefer one, or if you think this color is too dark to wear. Let me know your impressions, and don't forget to follow me also on Instagram. See you soon. Bye!